Hi, my name is Dennis Griffoni and welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video I'm going to show you how to rebuild a RAID array on a Buffalo Terastation. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe to my channel and support me to reach 1000 subscribers. I received a brand new box from Buffalo Technology with a replacement bay and a brand new drive. The RAID is in degraded mode, and drive 2 is missing from the array. I'm going to show you now how to recover the RAID array. Usually you can have multiple disk failure if your storage is not protected by a UPS. And during the rebuilding, especially with large drives in a RAID 5 configuration. During the process, the Terastation is sending to me alerts as expected. For this video I'm not pressing the function button, which is the fastest way to rebuild automatically the array. And we are now near the end of this video, so I'm going to execute a RAID scanning for a full volume check. Okay, so thanks to Buffalo Technology for their excellent support. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe to my channel and support me to reach 1000 subscribers. Bye!